Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the poem entitled An Old Woman composed by Arun Kolatkar. Guys, first of all, introduction to the poet. The poem An Old Woman is one of the finest creations of an Indian poet, Arun Kolatkar. He was born in Maharashtra in India in 1932. He is a bilingual poet. He writes in Marathi and in English. He is one of the few modern Indo-Anglican poets who are bilingual. He has written many small poems, but they were not published till 1990. But his long poem Jejuri was published in 1976. This poem won him the Commonwealth Prize for Poetry. His small poems are pensive and most realistic in nature. Now guys, introduction to the poem. The poem An Old Woman describes poet's journey to Jejuri near Pune in Maharashtra. This is the holy place. The poet has described his encounter with an old female beggar. He has also described physical features and location of that area as he has emphasized the physical structure and the language of that area. Now theme of the poem. The theme of this poem is based on poet's personal experience of his journey to Jejuri and his encounter to a corn beggar and his actions and reactions about pitiful condition of that old woman. The poet comes into the contact of an old beggar woman while he is in his way to holy places of Jejuri. The old woman does not let him go free. She tightly clutches the sleeve of the poet. The woman begs 50 paisa from the poet, but the poet is not in the mood to give her 50 paisa. Even it seems to poet as a force, so he wants to get rid of it. Then the old woman speeches to him what an old woman can do in these misfortunate mountains. This statement of the old woman stirs the nerves of the poet when he realized the misfortunate situation of the woman. He is so much humiliated in himself that he feels himself smaller than the coins in the palm of the old woman. Thus, the very theme of this poem is based on the poet's change of heart. Now, guys, critical summary of this poem. First point is poet's attitude to life. In this poem, it seems to us that the poet is atheist. He does not show any regards to God. He opposes the old way of life. He is very progressive and modern in his views. His modernity reflects in his sensibility, irony, and witty in his theme and his subject matter. In this short poem, poet's lack of reverence is clearly reflected. His vision is essentially tragic. The poet has described the miserable condition of the old woman who is very poor and hungry. This poem is a modernist piece of touches a modernist piece and touches the deepest chord of our hearts. She has no means of livelihood other than begging. This shows that the poet is very realistic in his attitude to life because when he comes face to face with a miserable condition of that beggar woman, he gets ready to help her. Now, guys, merits of this poem. Kolatkar's poetry is simple in expression but very rich in impression. When we read his poem, we find ourselves at Jejuri. It seems to us that begging woman is standing before us, begging 50 paisa coin from us. Some of the admirers of Kolatkar keep his poem Jejuri equal to T.S. Eliot poem The Wasteland. The similes used by Kolatkar in his poem are as good and suggestive as those of T.S. Eliot. He says that the old begging woman stick to us like burr. Burr has two meanings. First meaning is a wasp and the second meaning is a prickly brush that clings to hair and clothing. The eyes of that old woman are as small as the bullet holes. These comparisons are very appropriate. This poem has been written in free verse, hence there is no rhyme scheme in this poem. He avoids capital letters in beginning of the every line of the poem. He has used to simple language of everyday speaking. The poem has great appeal. Guys, now the conclusion. In the concluding lines, it can be said that this is a most remarkable poetic piece of Kolatkar. Though the language of this poem is very simple, but the idea suggested in this poem is very heart-touching, which only an Indian poet can write. This poem had such pictorial quality that every image in this poem float before our eyes. The description of the old beggar woman is so lively that no one can remain without moving by that scene. The imaginary which the poet has taken in this poem is also very picturesque. The poet has used all possible devices to give this poem a poetic color. In short, we can say that this poem is full of literary qualities and this is a very beautiful poem composed by Arun Kolatkar. So guys, you must read it and enjoy it. Thank you.